Do you want to learn how to use ClipMagic? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So this ClipMagic is basically a short form video editor, just like the popular tool Submagic. You can create short form clips like these, top is social influencers. Let's take a look at one of them. Currently, this tool is not available online, as in you cannot edit your videos online using the online video editor. You need to download it on your desktop. Some of the key features of ClipMagic is you can add auto captions. So these are some of the presets that you can use for auto captions, and then you can have settings, different settings for it, or you can also customize these presets. Then you can add visual effects, which are available inside ClipMagic. And then there's viral templates, call to actions, AI optimized hooks. So you can add an AI optimized title, a description with also the tags, and then you can render the video and publish it on your channel. So these are some of the examples made using ClipMagic. Now here you will see that how they compare to Submagic. Submagic is a $50 per month tool. Compared to that, ClipMagic is just $12 per month. And according to them, there is no call to actions in Submagic, which I can confirm. I've used that tool and there's no call to actions. And you can only export up to 2K resolution with a 5 minutes runtime. And of course, the unlimited exports are there. But in ClipMagic, you get 4K, unlimited duration, unlimited exports, and call to actions. So once you're ready, click the link in the description to follow along with this tutorial. Head over to this page and create a free account. Now, once you've signed up, it's going to give you a link to download the desktop version. Once you've downloaded it and installed it to your computer, you will see this application. And on here, you need to log in. And once you're logged in, click on Create New. Or you can drag and drop your video here. I'm going to drag and drop an intro video to Gling AI, which I made for my main channel. Drag and drop it inside this box. And here it's going to give you a timeline. You can trim the video. If your video is not in English, you can select the language here. These are all the languages that they support currently. Once done, click on Next. And it's going to import the video, extract the captions and such. Now on here, you can design it. So you can add captions to here. I'm going to choose this one. Let's play a couple of seconds. Let's try this one. This looks like Ali Abdul style. Let's check it out. And you can click this caption, change the font of this, font styles, the text color, highlight and such, the background color. Save it as a preset. If you have changed something inside it, you can save it as a preset. You can also lock or unlock this. And also you can move this caption around. You can move it up or down. Reduce the size of this like this by holding the corners and dragging it to reduce the size. And it changes the caption style for the entire video. Now in captions, which is under the design, you can add emojis, which is Magic Emoji is going to add emojis on every caption layer like this. You can also adjust the emoji size by dragging this. Change the emoji, make it animated, but for this you need to upgrade to the Pro plan. Now you can also adjust the number of words that appear for each section in the video. So let's say I make it three words. Yes, proceed. And it's going to change it to only appear 3 words at a time. Now because our emojis are deleted, we can just click on delete emojis and add emojis again. Now in captions, if you click on one of these sections, let's say I select this one, you will see these 4 options below it. This one is if you want to add the caption above or below it, like this. The third one is to add an image here or a GIF. You can import these inbuilt GIFs, which are powered by Jiffy, like this one. I'm going to import this. And it's going to import this inside our video. You can also change the duration of this and also the animation. Do you want it to scale, come from the bottom, top, right, left? These are the things that you can do with this. And if you want to go inside it again, just click on this cog icon to edit this GIF. And you can also add borders and change the border style to include another color. Now the second option is importing a video effect, which is currently not available because we are on the free plan. And if you want to use this, you need to upgrade to the Pro plan. The first option is to import a video. Let's say we do not want to use this video which is currently on the screen. We can import another video and put it for this specific section. Now let's click on this, which is video style. These are some of the video styles, and in the free version, you can have just the one video style, which is simple, this one. And if you want to use all these other video styles, you need to upgrade again. And here on the top, you will see the video aspect ratio, which is currently 16:9. I can change it to 9:16, which is the shorts format, which is going to change our video's aspect ratio into 9:16. Now, either you can use this style, or you can just click on none, and it's going to expand our video to full screen. And you can adjust the captions by clicking on this and moving it up or down. Now on the left hand side, you'll find music. Let's click on music. You can import an audio of your own in the free version. All these other music they have available is not available in the free version. You need to upgrade for these. So just import an audio. Once you have imported an audio, you can increase or decrease the track volume, loop the track. You can add a fade in and a fade out, and you can clear the audio from here. Now the next we have call to action. Again, you have got one simple call to action available in the free version. All the others, if you want to use them, you need to upgrade to the pro plan. Let's say I click on this one, the simple one, and I play from here. And then inside the settings, you can increase or decrease the duration of this call to action. One more thing that I forgot to mention, that in the video styles, when we clicked on none, you can change the offset. Slide this left to right to change the offset to center yourself in the middle. Currently, they don't have an option to center it automatically, so you need to do it manually. And for optimize, you've got these magic hook title, magic description, and branding watermark. These are again all available on the pro plan. Now once you're done, click on publish, and in resolution, you can export it at the resolution of 720p. Quality you can set high, standard, or low, and then publish the video. And it's going to render the video and export it to your desktop. So that's it. This is how to use the ClipMagic tool. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.